Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games error code LS-0013. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps and find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. To do this, right click on the Epic Games Launcher and select Run as administrator and select Yes. Now you can launch the game again and check if the problem solved or not. Second step, you just need to verify game files. To do this, open up Epic Games, go to library, click on the three dot icon next to the game and select manage. And in here you can able to see verify integrity of game files. You just need to select that. And after getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. Third step, you just need to end background processes. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In here you just need to end any unnecessary processes, especially Epic Games Launcher game related processes, overlays like Discord, Steam or GeForce Experience. And after that you can launch the Epic Games and check if the problem solved or not. Fourth step, you just need to clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. To do this, first you just need to close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Click on the system tray, and if Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After that, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage app data, percentage again. Click on OK to open up. You just need to go back and double click on the local folder, Epic Games Launcher, double click on it. Saved folder. You just need to right click on the web cache and select the delete option. And now you can relaunch the Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem solved or not. Fifth step, you just need to update the graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. Sixth step, you just need to adjust the game's launch options. To do this, open up Epic Games, select the three dot icon next to the game and select manage. You just need to turn on this launch options option. And now check my video description for this launch option guys. So just to copy and paste it in the launch option and just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Seventh step, you just need to ensure the game's compatibility. To do this, open up Epic Games, select the three dot icon next to the game and select manage. Select this open install location and now double click on the Fortnite game binaries Win64. Now you just need to find the Fortnite. As you can see, the biggest file size over here, the game file. You just need to right click on it and select properties, select compatibility tab, and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for click on this drop down and you just need to select the earlier Windows version and after that select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.